You breathe in thousands of invisible spores every day. Most of them die quietly. One of them doesn't. It starts with a single breath. Floating in the air is Aspergillus fumigatus, a microscopic mold that lives almost everywhere: soil, dust, even in the corners of your home. Its spores are tiny, about 2 to 3 microns in diameter, making them light enough to drift unnoticed into your lungs. This happens constantly. Normally your body doesn't even flinch. As the spores settle deep into your lungs, the first line of defense, which is your alveolar macrophages, move in. These immune cells act like microscopic cleaners, swallowing and destroying anything that shouldn't be there. Most of the time, the spores are neutralized within minutes, but sometimes the system doesn't work quite as well as that. If the immune response is weakened, or the fungus gains an advantage, the spore begins to change. It germinates, sending out thin filaments called hyphae that push into surrounding tissues. Now it's no longer just a particle, it's growing and invading. Your body will escalate its immune response. Neutrophils will arrive, releasing reactive oxygen molecules and forming web-like traps to contain the spread. In a healthy individual, this usually stops the infection entirely. But in vulnerable individuals, the fungus keeps going. It can take different paths. In some, the immune system overreacts instead of underreacting, triggering what's known as allergic bronchial pulmonary aspergillosis, a hypersensitive response that inflames the airways. In others, the fungus slowly damages lung tissues over time, forming cavities that can house dense fungal masses known as aspergillomas. In the most severe cases, the hyphae break into blood vessels, a process called angioinvasion. From there, the infection can spread beyond the lungs, reaching the brain and other organs. This is invasive aspergillosis, a condition where the balance between host and microbe has completely collapsed. Treatment for this type of infection typically relies on antifungal drugs such as voriconazole. But even then, the fight can be very difficult, especially as some strains are becoming resistant. And all of this can form from a single spore you never felt, never saw, and never knew was there. If you like this content, guys, please like and subscribe.